Mastering personal budgeting is the key to achieving financial stability and realizing your dreams. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create and manage a budget effectively, from assessing your income to setting financial goals and tracking your spending. Are you ready to transform your financial life and secure a brighter future for yourself? In today's busy world, it's super important to learn how to handle your money well to make sure you have a good financial future and reach your money goals. In this video, we'll show you a simple way to make and take care of your personal budget. We'll start by looking at how much money you get. Then we'll organize your spending into groups, set goals for your money, watch how you spend, make changes if needed, and use smart ways to save money. We'll give you the info and tools you need to be in charge of your money future. Let's begin. Assessing your income. Assessing your income is like laying the groundwork for your financial journey. It's about understanding where your money is coming from and how much you have to work with. Just as you need a map to start a journey, you need to know your income to begin budgeting. This involves looking at all the ways money flows into your life, like your main job, any freelance work you do, income from renting out property, or money from investments. By figuring out how much money you typically earn each month, it's like having a compass to navigate your budgeting path. It gives you a clear picture of your financial resources, and with this knowledge, you can plan your budget wisely. This step brings a sense of empowerment and control, where you're in charge of your financial ship, ready to set sail with confidence toward your financial goals. Categorizing expenses. The next important part of budgeting is sorting out your expenses in a clear way. To really understand where your money goes, start by making a list of your regular expenses, like your home, transportation, bills, groceries, and any debts you're paying off. And don't forget the extra stuff you spend on for fun, like going out and hobbies. When you organize your expenses into categories, it makes it easier to see where your money is going and decide where you can maybe save some cash. Later on, we'll talk about different budgeting methods, like the 50-30/20 rule and zero-based budgeting, to help you manage your money well and make sure you're using it to achieve your financial goals. It's like putting your financial puzzle pieces in the right places so you can see the whole picture and make your money work for you. Setting financial goals. Having clear financial goals is like having a roadmap for your money journey. It keeps you motivated and helps you stay on track with your budget. Whether you're saving up for a house, getting rid of debt, creating an emergency fund, or thinking about investing, having defined goals gives your financial plans a sense of purpose and direction. We'll help you break these goals into shorter and longer-term targets, giving each one a clear time frame and a specific amount of money to aim for. This way you can keep an eye on your progress and celebrate your achievements as you reach each milestone. We'll also introduce you to smart goal-setting techniques and provide examples to make sure your financial goals are clear, meaningful, and achievable. Tracking your spending. Keeping an eye on your spending is a key part of making your budget work well. It's like having a map to see where your money is heading and where you can save. Different methods, like using budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a special journal, help you record what you spend, categorize expenses, and compare them with your budget. This way you can make smarter money choices. It's important to be mindful of your spending. Watch out for common budgeting mistakes and use tips to overcome challenges and stay motivated. Tracking your spending not only helps you see where your money is going, but also gives you the power to take charge of your financial decisions with confidence and control. Making adjustments in savings. Being flexible with your budget is an essential part of managing your money well. It's like adjusting your sails as you navigate financial waters. Regularly checking your budget helps make sure it still fits your current situation and goals. You can find chances to save money by talking to service providers and looking for better deals, trimming down on things you don't really need, or finding more cost-effective options. And if you automate your savings, it's like putting your money on autopilot to help you save regularly without thinking too much about it. This way, your budget can adapt to your life, and it can give you a sense of control and freedom when it comes to your finances. Debt management. Managing your debt is a critical aspect of personal budgeting. It's like steering your financial ship through the sometimes turbulent waters of debt. We understand that debt can be a heavy burden, whether it's from credit cards, loans, or other financial obligations. That's why we're here to guide you in assessing your current debt situation, helping you create a systematic plan to pay down your debts while making sure it aligns with your budget. It's like unraveling a complex puzzle, piece by piece, until you find the right path to financial freedom. As you work through your debt management plan, there's a growing sense of empowerment and relief, knowing that you're taking control of your financial well-being. Debt management isn't just about numbers. It's about regaining financial control and setting the stage for a more secure and balanced future. Emergency funds and financial resilience. Building an emergency fund is a key component of financial security. It's like having a safety net for your finances, ready to catch you when unexpected expenses or emergencies come your way. Life is full of surprises, from sudden medical bills to unexpected car repairs, and having an emergency fund is like a shield against financial stress. It provides peace of mind and a sense of security because you know you have a financial cushion to fall back on when needed. It's a bit like having a sturdy umbrella in a sudden downpour. You stay dry and protected. Building and maintaining an emergency fund is not just about money. It's about preparing for the unexpected and having the confidence and stability to face life's uncertainties. It's a powerful step towards achieving financial resilience, where you can weather the storms of life without being knocked off balance. And that's a comforting and empowering feeling. Investment and wealth building. Budgeting isn't just about handling your everyday expenses. It's also a powerful tool for building wealth. It's like planting seeds for your financial future. By discovering how to set aside money for investments, retirement accounts, and other opportunities, you can help your money grow over time, just like nurturing a plant until it becomes a strong tree. This isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a pathway to financial security and achieving your long-term goals. The prospect of building wealth can bring a sense of hope, accomplishment, and financial freedom where your money starts working for you, and your dreams become closer to reality. Evaluating and fine-tuning your budget. Budgets are not set in stone. They should evolve with your life. It's a bit like having a wardrobe that changes with the seasons, adapting to your current needs and circumstances. Your budget isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a financial tool that should grow and change as your life does. Just as you wouldn't wear a heavy winter coat in the summer, you shouldn't keep the same budget if your income, expenses, or financial goals shift. Maybe you've landed a new job, started a family, or are saving for a big dream. These life changes call for a budget adjustment to make sure your finances align with your goals. Fine-tuning your budget can bring a sense of control and adaptability to your financial journey, ensuring that it remains a comfortable and well-fitted garment for the different seasons of your life. Reviewing and adjusting your budget is like taking your financial plan to the tailor for a perfect fit. Budgets aren't meant to stay the same forever. They should grow and change along with your life. Just as your favorite pair of jeans might need adjustments, your budget requires periodic checks to ensure it still suits your needs. This process allows you to adapt to life's changes and financial goals. It's about looking at your budget and thinking, is this still the right size for me? Perhaps you've had changes in your income, expenses, or financial priorities. Maybe you've achieved a milestone or encountered a new challenge. By evaluating and fine-tuning your budget, you can ensure that it remains a comfortable fit for your financial journey. In conclusion, mastering personal budgeting is a transformative journey that can shape your financial future. By following the step-by-step guide provided in this video and adapting it to your unique circumstances, you will gain the skills to manage your income, prioritize your spending, achieve your financial goals, and build wealth over time. Remember that budgeting is a lifelong practice that empowers you to make informed financial decisions, enjoy financial freedom, and create a secure future. Start your budgeting journey today and take control of your financial destiny. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.